Welcome! This is Joshua.
Got this first issue. Very cool. From Derek. Got a package from Nick Walker. Nick Walker. From Florida. Hollywood. Thanks for joining. Appreciate Nick, the creator. Oh, these are the inserts. You guys don't know Nick, the creator 24. Since you signed this, put this in our YouTube treasure chest. He does cool group breaks where you could choose your own team, and he does it nicely. And we won this cool inserts, all the inserts. So we got this. Who's this? Fab Melo.
Nick
Young.
Marc Gasol. Kawhi Leonard.
Kawhi.
LeBron
James. Nice.
Elson Iviso number 99.
99. Yes, 3 out of 99.
Chris Paul.
Floor Generals.
Darren Harris. John Wall.
Thank you. Panini Mojo's insert from the group breaks, and hopefully you guys do join in.
This is good for TTMs.
These cool group breaks, and we collect those.
Yeah.
And here we are, J.R. Smith, High Flyers.
Serge Ibaka, he's a high flyer too. Blake, he is a high flyer.
Nate.
Nate Archibald.
Collect this too, Nate Archibald, Moses Malone.
Okay.
Oscar Robertson.
Inside presents.
New Laker member, Chris Kaman. Inside presence, Paul Gasol and Chris Kaman. Nice. So hopefully you guys join in. We have inside presence.
Or Hibbert. Marc Gasol and Zach Randolph. Two souls.
Seems like they're holding hands, but they're not holding hands.
What? Oh yeah. Ron and Dwayne Wade.
James.
Oh. Okay. Kobe.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, so thank you so much. Hopefully do subscribe to Nick Creator 24 who does group breaks. You guys choose your own team. Pretty cheap, $2, $3 for fun. You guys could have a chance for some mojos. Thank you so much, Nick, again, for being so professional and shipping the cards. Appreciate it. Subscribe to him.
Bye.
Stay cool.